Welcome to the colorful adventure with our lively toy cars. Here comes the red car, zooming down the track. Watch it skillfully dodge those tricky blocks. Oops! It bumped the last one and sent the blocks flying. Off to the parking lot it goes. And now, meet our pretty pink car. It glides along, avoiding the blocks with finesse. Oh dear, it bumped the last block, and for a moment it seemed stuck. But with determination, it's off to the parking lot. Here comes our cheerful little yellow car. Racing through the course flawlessly. Look at it go. No obstacles in its way. Off to the parking lot. It's done for the day. Behold our special green car, built from tiny blocks and rolling on wheels just like the others. It's doing great! Oh no! It hit the blocks at the end, causing a cascade of colorful bricks. And on the way to the parking lot, a small collision with the fence leads to a small piece coming off. Thank you for joining us in this colorful adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys with our amazing toy cars.